Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are actually on our way to a private Jimmy Choo event. They're launching something new and I'm taking you guys with me, and you're just gonna chill with me for the rest of the day. I'm really excited. We are very late. I'm a very punctual person, okay? Today was one of those days. I am. My sister is looking at me sideways when I said I'm punctual, but I really am. I appreciate punctuality, and I like to think that I am someone who is always on time. However, sometimes you just have those days. I had a meeting that ran over. I hadn't had glam done. It was a lot, but we have arrived. We are 20 minutes late, yikes. But we are here, and we're gonna have a good old time. Good morning, guys. Surprise! I am doing Vlogtober. Okay, better late than never. I know that I'm starting in the middle of the month, but I figured that I should just like jump onto it anyways. I just got out the shower. I look crazy, right? I know. So I just got out the shower. It is like 1:45. And I am planning on running some errands today. I'm starting a little bit early because I actually have like a couple of, you know, fun things happening in the next couple of days rather than actually like starting on Monday. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be able to do this. I am going to just quickly get dressed and then I will see you guys at my hair appointment. Hey guys, so my hair is done. I just got to the mall. I think I'm gonna tie it up because, you know, when your hair is fresh, it literally just is like all over the place. So I'm just gonna put it in a bit of a ponytail just so that it doesn't bother me too much. Okay, so I just got to the mall and I have a couple of errands to run here. My lips are so dry. It is actually a joke. I don't know about you guys, but like, have you noticed like well, this entire time when you are like constantly like wearing a mask and whatever, like this part of your face just becomes so dry like all the time? For me, my lips have never been this chapped. Like my lips are always dry, always peeling, because I'm always wearing a mask. Like, it's crazy. This has been helping. Elizabeth Arden, obviously 8-hour original 8-hour cream, and then I've also been using the Laneige sleeping mask. that stuff is amazing. Very rare that like I use products that like if you put it on at night and then you wake up the next morning like your lips are still moisturized. This 8-hour cream is really good, and especially like if I am gonna be wearing a mask, like it doesn't stick to my mask or anything, and it keeps my lips fairly hydrated, so at least. Oh, anyway, all right, let's go do what we need to do. I think we might even stop in Zara as well, so let's go see. Guys, Foschini has such cute things. Look at this top. Oh my gosh, I haven't been in here in a while. They have such amazing things. The screen skirt. But I wanted to show you this. How stinking cute is this top? And it comes in like a purple as well. It's like a satin material. I love this. So cute. But they're all extra small, girl. I can't fit it in extra small. This is also really cute. So cute. Love, love, love. Oh my god, I'm living for this organza top. I love this. Look at the sleeves. You just need like a white cami, or even just like a white bra or a white bodysuit under this, and you are good. Comes in black as well. Guys, can we please discuss this two-piece? These shorts. And it comes with this matching blouse. Look at that. I'm in Zara now. Love this. And these. Well guys, anyways, that is it from me. Day 1 of Vlogtober, day 1 of 14 for Vlogtober. I'm really excited. I hope I can do this. Yikes. But yeah, I had fun with you guys today. I hope you guys had a good time as well. Let me know what more of you guys would like to see like in my vlogs. I'm thinking that I might go to the gym tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure because I have breakfast with my friend Lisa at 11, so I don't know if I'll make it unless I go really early. It's touch and go. I don't know, but I am going to try because I've literally just been on like a health kick. I actually went for like a full physical about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, was it 3 weeks ago? It was 3 weeks ago because I got my results 2 weeks ago. But I went for like a full like body physical. I went for like all my blood tests, like blood works, everything. I did like all my STI screening. I did like the hemoglobin test, the thyroid test. I did so much. The only thing that I haven't done is go to my gynae to go for my annual pap smear. So that I have to book sometime soon. So guys, this is what I was telling you about earlier, the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is what I put on my lips every single night before I go to bed. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see. I have like a clothing haul that I probably will be showing during the Vlogtober, like in one of the vlogs. I want to actually do assumptions also in one of the vlogs. Leave your assumptions, leave your questions and whatever in the comments of this video. And I will definitely be doing it at some point during this Vlogtober time. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be good. I think we're going to have a good time. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Also, I saw on my analytics that over half of the people that actually watch my videos aren't even subscribed. So please guys, please subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. You're just confirming yourself as part of the Glammy gang, okay? It's really not that deep. Please just join. It helps me out a lot if you like the videos and if you subscribe. And we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. That is like wow to me. So yeah, please subscribe guys. Please tell your friends. Please share on your Twitter, on your Instagram, and like Facebook, everything. Please share it. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. And yeah guys, I love you guys also so much. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye guys.